Captain Blagger Vogel reporting. Today we were in some Valentine cards where humans like to draw pictures, and you can use the Valentine cards. First officer, Vogel reporting. You can make Valentine cards into what makes sense of red, white, yellow, and purple, and chic weather, and let's play a Valentine card. I love the special. Junior Vogel reporting. There's something that's using by first quiet for the using, but remember that it's using Valentine cards start. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, loved it. Yes. Go, Wiggles. Got the bigger Vogel reporting. Today we ran some things for the swinging machine and to cut some things nicely, do more things nicely. First officer, Vogel reporting. Swinging machines and that's nicely. If you take a lot, you can pop it and it start now. Up and down, start us now. And you plasted it. Junior Vogel reporting. Swinging machines is almost not used today in state. And once imagine and Freddy and Valentine cards, you can make anything. Ooh, like it. Ooh, rubbed it. Yes.